morning to children. Today we can discuss Maths 2. Maths 2 40 marks question paper. You know already model paper. First bit 7 questions, 7 problems, 1 mark problems. Second bit 2 mark problems, 6 problems. And third bit 4 mark problems, 4 problems. Today we can discuss about trigonometry. Trigonometry is the foundation for higher classes. Trigonometry newly introducing in 10th class. It is very important for higher classes. Today we can discuss about trigonometric foundations. We can start the class. Trigonometry. Tri means 3. Gona means angle. Metry means measurement. These words came from Greek words. Okay, trigonometry is discussing about right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle A, B, C. A right angle at B. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees is called right angle. A, B, C. In triangle ABC, we are taking angle at A. Angle A is equal to theta. Angle opposite one is called opposite side. Angle beside one is called adjacent side. And 90 degrees opposite side one is called hypotenuse. Depend on angle, we are changing opposite side and adjacent side. If angle at A, opposite side is BC. If angle at A, adjacent side is AB. If angle at C opposite side AB. If angle at C, adjacent side BC. Depend on angle. Here angle changing means opposite side is changing and adjacent side also changing. Depend on angle, opposite side and adjacent side are changing. Main trigonometric ratios, main ratios are 3 ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and their reciprocals cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Here sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse is equal to here opposite side what? BC and hypotenuse what? AC BC by AC. Sin theta is equal to BC by AC. Sin full form SINE. What is the meaning of sine? Sine word derived from sinus. Sinus means half of the chord. First Aryabhatta introduced this chord. Okay. From this word sine is derived. Next, sin theta reciprocal. Reciprocal means reverse. Sin theta is equal to sin theta reciprocal is cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta is equal to. Here already we know sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. It is coming to upside, then it will become reciprocal. Hypotenuse by opposite side is equal to. Here hypotenuse is AC and opposite side is BC. AC by BC. Any number multiply with reciprocal, then value is 1. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Next, cos theta. Cos theta full form cosine theta. Cos theta is the partner of sin theta. Cos theta is the partner of sin theta. Cos theta full form cosine theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Cos theta reciprocal is sec theta. Sec theta full form secant. You know secant means in a circle a line is intersecting circle at 2 points. That line is called secant. See, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side is equal to, here hypotenuse is the AC and adjacent side is the AB. AC by AB. Any number multiplied with reciprocal, then value is 1. Cos theta reciprocal is sec theta, then cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Next, tan theta. Tan theta full form is tangent. tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is the ratio of sin and cos. Tan theta is the ratio of sin and cos. Yes, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse and cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then hypotenuse cancel, then opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side is equal to, what is the opposite side here? BC. PC by, and adjacent side AB. PC by AB. Tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. Cot theta full form cotangent. Cotangent. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Here what is the adjacent side? AB is the adjacent side. And what is the opposite side? BC is the opposite side. AB by BC. What is the meaning of tangent? You know already. In a circle, a line is touching circle at one point. This line is called tangent. Okay, already in 9th chapter, secants and tangents. A line is touching circle at one point. That line is called tangent. For circle, how many tangents we can draw? Infinite tangents we can draw. Next, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. Then tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Right. Next, these are basic names. Sin theta and cos theta and tan theta are basic topics. Okay. You must learn basic words. These are basic words. Using these basic words only, total trigonometry chapter is depend. Total in this trigonometry chapter, there are 4 exercises are there. First exercise is discussing about ratios of trigonometry using right angle triangle. Second exercise is discussing about values of trigonometric ratios for specific angles. Yes, specific angles means 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees and 90 degrees are called specific angles. Total second exercise is depend on the values of trigonometric ratios. And third exercise, compound angles. We know compound angles means sum of two angles is 90 degrees is called compound angles. Fourth exercise is discussing about identities of trigonometric ratios. Here identities of trigonometric ratios. First identity, there are 3 identities are there in trigonometry. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third identity is cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. In this fourth exercise, we are getting 4 marks problem. So that you must practice. There are actually 10 problems are there. If you practice that 10 problems, you will get 4 marks in annual examination. So that these are very important problems, you must practice. Okay, fourth exercise is depend on trigonometric identities. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third identity is cosec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Actually, in fourth exercise, third problems are important. Show that under root 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. In previous public examination, they asked to 2-3 times. You take the denominator. Here denominator is 1 minus sin a. 1 minus sin a rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor means we can change the sign middle. 1 minus sin a rationalizing factor 1 plus sin a. Numerator and denominator multiply with 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a whole square. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. 1 square minus sin square a. Root for numerator and root for denominator. Square and root cancel. 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a. Right. Under root 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. Square and root cancel. Cos a. 1 plus sin A by cos A. This cos A is dividing first term, cos A is dividing second term. 1 by cos A, 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A, sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A is equal to sec A plus sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. We got sec A plus tan A. So that ends proof. This is some important problem. Next, very important problem. Actually, in fourth exercise, 10th problem is there. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to k. I changed the problem. Instead of cosec theta, I took sec theta. Instead of cot theta, I took tan theta. Another problem. If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then prove that sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. This problem same like exercise 11.4, 10th problem, but I changed some small values. Solution: sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p. This one we can take as first equation using second trigonometric identity. What is the second trigonometric identity? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We know a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Here a means sec theta and b means tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. We know already sec theta plus tan theta value how much here? P. P into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Sec theta minus tan theta, here p multiplying here coming means division, 1 by p. Second equation. Solve 1 and 2. You can solve the first equation and second equation. We know first equation is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p. Second equation is sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. Plus tan theta minus tan theta both will be cancelled. Sec theta plus sec theta 2 sec theta is equal to p plus 1 by p. Then we can take the LCM. Here p is the LCM. P into p, p square plus 1. 2 sec theta is equal to p square plus 1 by 2p. Here 2 multiplying here coming means division. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta is equal to p square plus 1 by 2p. You can take cross multiplication. Cos theta into p square plus 1 is equal to 1 into 2p, 2p. Here p square plus 1 is multiplying, here coming means division. Cos theta is equal to 2p by p square plus 1. Again we can solve 1 and 2 equations. Previous we did addition, here we can do subtraction. Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. When we are doing subtraction, we can change the second equation signs. Here plus means minus, minus means plus, here plus means minus. Change the second equation signs. After that, plus sec theta minus sec theta both will be cancelled. Tan theta plus tan theta 2 tan theta is equal to p minus 1 by p. You can take LCM. P into p square minus 1. 2 into tan theta is equal to p square minus 1 by p. Here 2 multiplying here coming means division. Tan theta is equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. We know tan theta means sin theta by cos theta is equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. Here cos theta is dividing, coming this side means multiplication into cos theta. Cos theta value already we know. Cos theta value how much here? 2p by p square plus 1. Instead of cos theta place you can write 2p by p square plus 1. 2p cancel. P square minus 1 by p square plus 1. This is sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Hence we can prove sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. This problem is very important problem. Like this problem they are asking 4 marks problem in annual examination. You must practice this problem.